I was stopped at a light and just looked over to my right, and the next thing I know, I mean, it happened in a second, I was at a red light and 2 cars were in my front and the driver's side. After probably 20 minutes, my son talked me into taking the ambulance because now I was hurting, you know, and then, you know, I didn't really notice, but then when I was at the hospital, my neck was bothering me, so between my back and my neck, you know, they did x-rays. Then I went to physical therapy for about a year, a solid year. Well, my brother has lived here for 40 years, and he's the one that told me, go to McDivitt, you know, like the day he heard about it the day after the accident. Because within a couple days after he told me that, I started getting all these bills. And that's what made me, you know, I'm like, I am not, you know, liable. I'm not gonna be paying these bills. This isn't my fault. And I was faultless, is the way I looked at it. And so I took my brother's advice and came over here, and they took my case.
My name is Lindsay Cave, and I am a trial paralegal that assists the attorneys with taking cases to court. When Ms. Bell's case first came to me in litigation, she had accumulated just under $22,000 in medical expenses. However, the defendant's insurance policy capped at $15,000, leaving Ms. Bell with exceeding medical bills. We then tried to pursue an underinsured motorist claim for her for the remaining balance. Unfortunately, the insurance company tried to deny our claims, stating that her injuries were not related to this accident. We continued to fight on Ms. Bell's behalf and were able to get an examination under oath to confirm that all of her treatment was related to the accident. Having this done, we were able to recover an additional $25,000 to put towards her outstanding medical bills and to take some home for in-pocket.
You know, if I hadn't hired McDivitt, I would be just with bills up to my eyeballs. I'd be miserable. And instead, I feel free. So really, they just took a load off of me, is the way, I mean, that's why I said free, because there's no worries. And it hasn't been since I started with them.
Working at McDivitt has a great satisfaction because when the clients come in here, they come in here with a lot of major issues or problems, not really knowing where to turn. To have somebody come in with a dim outlook and then to leave with positive outlook, knowing that everything is getting taken care of, always puts a smile on my face.
They really do care. That's the way I felt, and you feel comfortable. And again, that weight is taken off your shoulders. You know, all the bills, I never have to worry about one of them. And then I have money for myself too. So yeah, I'm good.